James here from HEB, going to show you how to install your metal basket on your Happy Voyager. First, you're going to have to remove the seat. There are wing nuts, 4 of them on the bottom, so you should just be able to simply unscrew them. Installing your rack, you can see it has 3 triangles and an opening. Opening goes towards your seat. You need the bolt with a flat washer. And then you're going to want to slide your rack as far back as possible so that the battery can clear if you need to remove it. And on the bottom, the same thing, will be a flat washer and 1 nut. Let's just get them started. So you also need a 5mm hex Allen key and a 10mm wrench. Once you get it somewhat tight, you can get it firmly into place and straight. And again tight. And then it also comes with a bamboo top and the hardware for it, but you also need the same tools. And there's already holes drilled in the frame for this. Get it straight. And confirm that you've installed your rack in the proper place and you can remove your battery. So undo the pin, remove your key, quick release, remove your seat, and then you can pull your battery and see that it clears nicely. There you are, how to install your rear rack.